back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry cabbage with goji berries. Hope you like it. I have never tried a recipe that stir-fried cabbage with wolfberry, so I decided to try it today. The taste of the stir-fried cabbage has a slight sweet taste of wolfberry, and it tastes pretty good. Ingredients: cabbage, goji berries, ginger. Wash goji berries, then soak in hot water. Chopped ginger. Wash and cut cabbage into small pieces. Stir-fry chopped ginger until release flavor. Add cabbage and stir-fry together. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder. Add goji berries water. Add goji berries and stir-fry for another minute. The cabbage should not be fried for too long, otherwise it will lose its crispness. Usually 3 to 5 minutes is enough. Cabbage is good to go. Plate cabbage. This sock cabbage recipe is so easy to make. It's appetizing and goes well with rice. Add wolfberry and stir-fry together. The color and aroma are very good. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. You will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Cabbage, also known as Brussels sprouts or kale, is a common vegetable that has a variety of health benefits. Here are the main benefits of cabbage. Rich in nutrients, cabbage is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, folic acid, potassium, calcium, and manganese, which help to enhance immunity and maintain bone health. Antioxidant effect. Cabbage is rich in antioxidants, such as polyphenols and sulfides, which can help fight free radicals, slow down aging, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Promote digestion. The dietary fiber in cabbage helps promote intestinal peristalsis, prevent constipation, and improve digestive function. Anti-inflammatory effect. The antioxidants and sulfides in cabbage have anti-inflammatory effects and help relieve inflammatory diseases such as arthritis. Support heart health. The potassium in cabbage helps regulate blood pressure, and the dietary fiber helps lower cholesterol, thereby supporting cardiovascular health. Helps control weight. Cabbage is low in calories and rich in fiber, which can increase satiety and is suitable for people who are losing weight or controlling their weight. Anti-cancer potential. Research shows that the sulfides and antioxidants in cabbage may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as stomach cancer and colon cancer. C. Improve skin health. Vitamin C and antioxidants in cabbage help promote collagen production, maintain skin elasticity, and delay aging. C. Enhance immunity. Vitamin C and antioxidants in cabbage help strengthen the immune system and improve body resistance. Help detoxification. The sulfide and fiber in cabbage help detoxify the liver and promote the excretion of toxins in the body. Summary: cabbage is a nutritious, low-calorie vegetable with many benefits such as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, digestive, and heart health support. Whether eaten raw, stir-fried, or made into soup, cabbage is an ideal choice for a healthy diet. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.